Harry Potter vive en un mundo mágico. La magia vive en él, pero la magia no vive en ti.
Languages with Daniel.
Hello, welcome back to Languages with Daniel. Today we are going to learn an easy but significant topic, the use of prepositions with articles and pronouns. So let's start. Previously we have seen how does preposition work, but we have some exceptions when we're using prepositions and articles. These prepositions are a and de. They change when we use them with el, the singular masculine article. So let's see how these prepositions work with the articles. When we are using the preposition a with el, it becomes al. If we use la, ala. If we use los, a los. And if we use las, a las. The same happens with de and el. It changed into del. With la, de la. With los, de los. And with las, de las. So let's see some examples. Yo voy al supermercado. Nosotros esperamos al doctor. Los amigos del doctor. La comida del perro. You see, it was easy. It's not that hard to understand. So let's continue with the prepositions and the pronouns. We have something in Spanish called the prepositional pronouns. And we use them when it goes a preposition before the noun. So let's look at the following table. Here we can see the personal pronouns, yo, tú, él, ella, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas, ustedes, and the prepositional pronouns. Yo becomes me with accent mark because me without tilde, it refers to the possessive pronoun like my. Then we have tú becomes ti, and the other articles are the same. Él, ella, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ustedes. So let's see some examples. Una ensalada para mí, un pastel para nosotros. ¿A ti te gusta la música de Taylor Swift? El auto es de él. When we have the personal pronoun el and the preposition de, we have to separate them. It just works when it is the article el. Therefore, it's very important to do not miss the accent mark, tilde. El perro es de ellos. By the other hand, we have some exceptions with these pronouns, especially with the preposition con, with. So let's see how does it work. When we have the preposition con, we won't say con mi, we will say conmigo. The same with ti. We won't say con ti, we will say contigo. And the other pronouns are the same. Con él, con ella, con nosotros, con vosotros, and so on. So let's see some examples. Yo estoy contigo, tú estás conmigo. I hope you enjoyed the video, that it was useful for you. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and we will see you the next time. Bye!